In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach emails to calendar events in Outlook. If you've ever tried to keep a meeting organized and wished the original email was right there in the event, this will make your workflow much smoother. I'll walk you through a few reliable options so you can choose the one that fits your version of Outlook and your style of working. First, here is the fastest method using drag and drop. Open Outlook and locate the email you want to attach. Click to select that message in your inbox, then drag it straight onto the calendar icon at the bottom left of the navigation bar. When you drop it there, Outlook automatically opens a new appointment window with the entire email body included in the event details. This is great for preserving context, links, and any instructions. From here, adjust the date and time to match when you want this on your calendar. When you are satisfied with the details, click Save and Close to lock it in. Next, if you need to bring everyone from the email thread into a meeting, use Reply All by Meeting. Open the email, then click the three dots in the message ribbon to expand more options. Choose Other Reply Actions, and then select Reply All by Meeting. Outlook converts the thread into a meeting invitation, automatically adding the participants and placing the message content in the invitation. This is especially helpful when you are moving a discussion into a scheduled call without retyping anything or hunting for addresses. If you are working in the classic Outlook desktop app and want a true file attachment inside the event, create the appointment first. Open your calendar and select New Appointment or New Meeting. In the ribbon at the top, click Insert, then look under the Include section. Select Outlook Item. A window will let you browse your mail folders. Choose the specific email you want. Outlook will attach it as a file inside the appointment, which is handy when you want to keep the original message intact and accessible with a single click. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.